everybody, how's it going? So it's a beautiful morning right here in Bavaria. Perfect driving conditions, and I can't enjoy it because I gotta go to work. But I've been having some thoughts lately, and actually for the last few months, on possibly replacing my Subaru with another platform, something else. So, as some of you know, back in October of 2019, I lost my best friend. He lost the battle with PTSD, and through all of that, all that craziness, I mean, he was my mentor when it came to Subarus. He's the one that got me involved in rally racing. He got me involved in just about everything. He taught me how to do a little bit of calibration. He was an excellent calibrator, and yeah, it's just things haven't really been the same. In the midst of all of this, I ended up with his one of 400 S202, and as far as we know, we've tried tracking down, but it's the only one in the States. So it's currently in hibernation right now until I can get back to it once I move back from Germany. But that whole situation just kind of got me thinking, maybe it is time to close the chapter and move on with something else. I'll still be involved with Subarus, I'll still have the S202, and I'll still be able to enjoy everything that I love about them. I just won't be doing it in a newer platform. So there's three cars I've been looking at. I've been looking at the BMW M2 Competition, the brand new Toyota Supra, and the Audi RS3. And the last couple of months I've been seeking them out, trying to test drive them. I've been very fortunate because I've been able to test drive the BMW M2 Competition in both the DCT and the manual transmission, and it's been amazing. It's an amazing car for a 3-liter twin turbo S55 engine. There is almost no turbo lag in it. It feels like a naturally aspirated car. I've been fortunate enough to test drive the new 2021 Toyota Supra, but it's Euro spec, so it's got the nasty OPF filters and all that crazy technology you gotta have out here in order to meet emissions and noise regulations out here. It's insane. They're cracking down on noisy exhausts out here, so almost all vehicles out here in Europe are pretty dull in sound. And finally, I've been looking at an Audi RS3, and that one's nice, and they all have about the same power, but man, just the experience of Audi and going to one of their dealerships, especially me being military, being out here, it's kind of difficult. So far, the best experience I've had was with BMW. The sales guy at BMW is amazing. The Toyota Supra that I test drove, the sales guy was really, really nice, but he knew I was probably not going to end up buying it out here because it is Euro spec. I can't take it back to the States, and I just can't get my hands on a USDM one here. So he let me test drive it. It was awesome, but he already knew I was probably not going to buy here right now. And then when I went for the Audi RS3, my God, the sales guy, one, I can't get a USDM one, but immediately they want to know rank. I mean, I'm in the military, cool, but what does my rank have to do with anything? It was like, what rank are you? And then the moment I didn't answer that, he thought, okay, you can't afford it. He became kind of douchey. But being able to test drive two recent ones, two newer platforms, and I have driven an RS3 before, when I was stateside. I like the RS3. It's quick, it's fast, straight line speed is awesome. The Supra is amazing. I don't really have much negatives to it, besides that stupid whomping sound that you have of the pressure difference inside the cabin. But besides that, I got a buddy of mine who owns one, and he found a hack on how to kind of divert air to get rid of that, and it looks almost OEM. And then, I mean, I've been driving the M2 out here a couple times. The guy lets me take it out on rides from time to time, so it's pretty fun. So I don't know, I'm kind of split. What do you guys think? If I was to get rid of my Subaru, which one should I get? Let me know in the comments. And before I forget, go ahead, like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications.